This biker was on the way to somewhere when he saw cars in front of him slowing down. This is what he saw.
Hey, buddy. Come on, go that way. That's it, go that way. Come on, go that way. Huh? You want me to grab it? And you want to throw it over? I know, mate, I know. What do you want to do? Do you want to pick it up and throw it over?
Yeah, probably does think.
Yeah. Alright, hold on. That's it. Well done, mate. Well done, that's it. Careful.
Is that boss? Yeah, go, Gidge. Right, yeah. That's fine.
Yeah, they'll be fine. Yay, well done. Well done, mate. Well done. Good man. Good man. Is that on camera? Yes, it is. Well done, mate.
Do you want to rev it, buddy?
You want to rev it?
You want to hit the throttle?
What? Yes. Listen very carefully.
Just do this.
You want to do it? You let me try?
You can do it. Can you reach up there? There you go, just pull. There you go. Nice job.
Say thank you. Give him a high five.
High five.
That was so cool.
Y'all have a good day.
Wow.
Alright, so this biker saw this kid taking interest in his bike. The kid looked really curious, so he tried to make his day. Let's check it out.
You know, who's next? Come on, boy.
Well, sometimes overlooked, turtles who try to cross the road cause a lot of accidents. This random act of kindness just saved someone's life.